So it was, of course, some say you had such a big congress in the Summer Academy, and usually you have one congress per year or 2 congresses per year, but this year it seems like 3 congresses. So the summer, of course, was outstanding. It was Yoga and Christianity, and you all know about it, I think. And so this year it was because of we could have Ravi Ravindra, we could have Father Joe, we could have Anna Paul, we could have anyone for that date in summer. And we agreed, yes, let's do it. Because we will never have people who are and even Dr. Malburg also. So we will never have the opportunity to have such a group of intellectual and also spiritual people together for this subject. So we did it.